There are two ways to use AI. The first way is the crutch. You ask AI to do the work for you. You get the result instantly, but your brain stays empty. Over time, your skills atrophy. You become dependent. The second way is the accelerator. You use AI to explain, to quiz, and to challenge you. You use it to learn faster than ever before. This is meta-learning. In a world where skills become obsolete every 5 years, the ability to learn new things quickly is the only job security you have. So how do we do it? Strategy number 1, the Pareto Prompt. The Pareto principle states that 80% of the results come from 20% of the causes. This applies to learning too. You don't need to learn everything about a topic to be dangerous. You just need the core 20%. Don't start by reading a textbook cover to cover. Ask AI, I want to learn subject. What are the 20% of concepts that will give me 80% of the understanding? It will give you a roadmap. It filters the noise. It turns an overwhelming mountain of information into a climbable hill. Strategy number 2, the Feynman Simulator. Richard Feynman was a physicist famous for explaining complex topics simply. He said, if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough.
When you get stuck on a hard concept, don't stare at the wall. Paste it into AI and say, explain this to me like I'm 12 years old. Use an analogy. AI is the world's best analogy machine. It can turn quantum physics into billiard balls. It builds a bridge from what you know to what you don't know.
Strategy number 3, the Socratic Opponent. Passive reading is weak learning. Active recall is strong learning. You need to be tested. Tell the AI, I am learning about topic. Quiz me. Ask me one question at a time, wait for my answer, and then grade me. This turns AI from a search engine into a tutor. It forces your brain to retrieve information, which strengthens the neural pathways. It's a mental gym session. The future belongs to the learners. If you can use AI to download new skills into your brain twice as fast as everyone else, you have nothing to fear. Don't let AI do your thinking. Use AI to upgrade your thinking.